We have the solar panels on the roof and the train horns installed.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a K3L. If you've been following the build of the Edison Motors L750, you'll know that they're putting a train horn on the roof of their truck. The horn on the truck appears to be a Holden Sandcast K3L that originated in Canada. The horn I have is an Airchime K3L on a high manifold. My horn is a new old stock K3L that was made around 2016. When I bought it, it had never been used. I'm not sure if it's the fact that it's brand new or what, but it sounds pretty great in my opinion. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video.